Hello. Welcome to the technical analysis of CoreWeave. CoreWeave is pushing sharply higher. Breakout energy seems to be building. Today, the stock is gained by 10.9%, and the 30-day trend points to an uptrend. Price is above the 9, 50, and 200-day EMAs, confirming a strong uptrend across timeframes. There is a downward gap between $123.24 and $125.88 that remains unfilled. A move to close this gap would mean about a 23.4% rise from here. A double bottom pattern above 102.00 implies a rebound target near $127.48. Price remains capped by a falling trend line near $138.74. If selling continues, next key support is near $84.81. Price has pushed above the falling short-term resistance zone near $91.64. As long as it holds above this band, a reversal of the prior short-term downtrend is in play. A close back below would signal that sellers are regaining control. A mid-term level sits around 106.44. Clearing this zone would open room for a test of the downtrend line near $138.74. Between the midterm and long-term objectives, an extra resistance band appears near $187.00. If current momentum continues, a measured move points toward a long-term objective near $242.60. The long-term roadmap is active, with 4 of 4 key confirmations in place, including EMA 50 reclaimed, volume above 120% of the 20-day average, EMA 200 reclaimed, higher lows intact. Based on the prior impulse, a reasonable completion window is about 34 to 62 sessions, or roughly 9.6 weeks. Invalidation sits near $67.15 on a decisive daily close below that level. Momentum is building. Both MACD and RSI are confirming the current strength. In a similar MACD cycle between May 01 and June 25, the price saw an increase of around 259.9%. From a long-term perspective, price remains inside the broader trend channel on the longer-term view. Zooming into the latest short-term trading channel, price has broken above the short-term channel, signaling firm bullish momentum. If this breakout can hold, a reasonable upside projection sits near $103.1. Adding a Fibonacci roadmap on top of this structure, the price is trading below the 78%, 106.36 Fibonacci retracement level, with the 61% retracement near 123.59 below. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around 214.91, Fib 1.27, and then 250.41, Fib 1.62. Technical Analysis Update. Looking at CoreWeave today, conditions are reading as bullish overall. Price is currently above the medium-term moving averages, which anchors the broader trend bias. The main tactical trigger to watch is a daily close above $122. A daily close above $122 with MACD confirmation would argue for a continuation type setup. On the defensive side, this roadmap starts to weaken on a sustained break below $67.15. Momentum and participation add context to that roadmap. RSI is currently around 66.5, and MACD is above its signal line, pointing to building strength in the current swing. Volume is elevated versus its 20-day average, and volatility via ATR is starting to expand. On the near-term map, the key reference levels include near-term resistance around $103, support near $101, a mid-term target around $122. In the bigger picture, the long-term measured move objective sits near $243. If the broader trend can stay intact, an upside roadmap to monitor is $243 as the long-term measured move objective. $298 as a 1.618 extension, $387 as a 2.618 extension. Overall, the coming sessions should reveal whether this roadmap can stay on track or transition into a deeper corrective phase. Here are the latest updates for CoreWeave. The most recent headline is CRWV, CoreWeave stock jumps on $21 billion meta deal. Chart at inflection point. CoreWeave is up 24.0% after securing $21 billion Meta AI cloud deal. What's changed? Yahoo Finance 10 hours ago. CoreWeave stock pops on Anthropic AI cloud computing deal. Investors Business Daily 17 hours ago. That wraps up this technical analysis on CoreWeave. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.